Good morning, class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, conic section. Then what is conic section? A figure formed by the intersection of a plane and a circular cone depending on the angle of the plane with respect to the cone is called conic section. A conic section may be a circle, an ellipse, a parabola and a hyperbola or a hyperbola. What is circle? A circle is the locus of a point. Locus means path of point satisfying some specific condition. Path of points which satisfying some specific condition. Which moves in a plane so that its distance from a fixed point called the center is equal to a given distance called radius. No. Equation of circle. With center h comma k and radius r is given by x minus h square plus y minus k square equal r square. That is, if it is a circle, it is center is a point h comma k and its radius is r, then equation of circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equal r square. Now, if center of the circle lie at origin, then coordinate of center is 0, 0. Means if center lie at origin, then h is 0 and k is 0. Then equation of circle x minus 0 square means it is plus y minus 0 square equal r square, and we have x square plus y square equal r square. It is equation of circle when center lie at origin. Means if center lie at origin, it is 0, 0 and radius is r, then equation of circle is given by x square plus y square equal r square. Equation of circle, general form of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. It is general equation of circle in which center is minus g comma minus f, and radius is g square plus f square minus c. Means for example, if we have equation of circle x square plus y square plus it is 8x plus 6y minus 3 equal 0. Then center of the circle, firstly we find value of g. Compare this equation with this equation. We have coefficient of x is 2g, coefficient of x is 8, means 2g equal 8, value of g is 4, and coefficient of I is 6, coefficient of I is 2f, 2f equals 6, value of f is 3, and c equal minus 3. Then center of this equation of circle is minus g comma minus f, that is minus g, value of g is minus 4, minus f, value of f is minus 3, and radius is g square, means 4 square, plus f square, means 3 square, minus value of c is also negative, means it is plus. Then 16, 9, 25, 28. It is radius of circle. Now, equation of circle when end points of diameter is given. Means if it is a circle and AB is the diameter of it, such that the coordinate of point A is x1, y1 and coordinate of point B is x2, y2, then equation of circle is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equal 0, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 are end point of diameter AB.